Okay, so we have our two tubes right here. The first tube containing 10 milliliters of sterile water, and our tube on the right containing 10 milliliters of our culture, which let's say we can call that E. coli. So what we're going to do is we need to take our pipette and we're going to dip it into, oops, excuse me, we're going to dip it into this container here, grabbing a fresh tip. And then after we do that, we're going to take both of our tubes and we're going to flame them and then set them aside. Flame. Move this over here. Sorry. And then we're going to take our pipette and we are going to take that and put it, we're going to take some culture. We're going to take about 1 milliliter of culture, and then we're going to put it into our 10 milliliters of water. After that, we are going to flame the tubes for our aseptic technique, and then we will put the caps back on to avoid contamination. We will then throw away our cap so that it doesn't spread everywhere. And then we are going to take our mixture with water. Again, let's just pretend that the cap is still like attached to it. But we're going to take our water and we're going to go ahead and mix it with the media that's in there. And then after we do that, we are going to then take the cap off of this one, and then we're going to flame it, and then we will take the cap off of our little media plate, and we will then pour our culture and our water in there, and then we're going to seal it so it's nice and sterile. And yes, that is